Victoria Rose, and today I'm going to review a poem called My Robot by Gareth Lancaster. But first I'm going to read it to you. My robot must rate as my favourite toy, a wonderful whirring mechanical joy. My robot can talk, but he'd much rather sing or go to the park and play on the swings. My robot is silver and very astute. For instance, this week he was learning the flute. My robot's adept at a number of tests, like doing my homework or folding my vests. My robot tells jokes that will tickle your sides or spin a good story and much more besides. And with a small spanner I always keep handy, I unbolt his head to store all my candy. The part I like is where the robot is described as a whirring mechanical joy. I like the bit when it makes me smile. I don't like the part when they unbolt the robot's head to store his candy. Poor robot. Gareth Lancaster has lots of other poems, from aliens to cats and dogs. I would definitely recommend this poem to a friend. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.